A study says lonely people take longer and hotter showers or baths to replace the warmth they are lacking socially and emotionally. If you have tattoo on any part of the body, you are prohibited in jobs like IAS, IPS, IRS, IFS, Indian Defence Services, Army, Navy and Air Force. Picture of a Infosys chairman Narayana Murthy touching Ratan Tata's feet. No matter how rich you become, never forget your culture. Wearing unbranded and cheap clothes does not mean you are poor. Remember, you have a family to feed, not a community to impress. Emma Watson. Human muscle are limited by our brain. We actually have the strength to lift a car. World's smallest computer compared to a grain of rice. Leonardo da Vinci could write with one hand and draw with the other at the same time. When the war is over, we will get married and the earth will grow flowers like you, and your womb will carry the most beautiful girl in the universe. This letter was found in the pocket of one of the dead soldiers, 1939. Deepika Padukone is the only Indian actress to get featured in the list of world's top 9 most famous actresses. People studying to be mall Santas in Know-Your program Santa University. Why Olympians bite their medals? With the act of biting into medals, athletes check its purity. Biting into a medal made purely of gold will leave bite marks on its surface, whereas if it's a gold-plated medal, the gold on the surface might scrap off. This is a picture of a man who was declared innocent by a judge after being imprisoned for 27 years. Giant statues of 42 US presidents are hidden on a farm in rural Virginia. The girlfriend of the guy who founded Match.com left him for a man she met on Match.com. This picture shows how the human face would appear without muscles. While studying late night, students of Madras University in India used to tie their hairs to a nail in the wall for keeping themselves up. Perseverance rover will be the largest, heaviest and the most sophisticated vehicle NASA has ever sent to Mars. This painting by Mark Rothko was sold for $46.5 million at the New York auction. This is Willis Carrier, the man who invented the air conditioner. Bobby Leach, first man to survive Niagara Falls barrel plunge, died after slipping on orange peel. Mona Lisa was stolen from the Louvre in 1911, which drew more visitors to see the empty space than actual painting. When a person dies, they have 7 minutes of brain activity left. It's the mind playing back the person's good memories in a dream sequence. Mike Tyson once offered a zoo attendant $10,000 to open the cage of a bullying gorilla so he could smash that silverback's snot box. His offer was declined. In Aishashema National Park, tourists float inside an airtight bubble on a lake to enjoy the natural scenery. In France, it is legal to marry a dead person so long as they had the intention to marry you while they were alive. Today's high school students have the same anxiety levels as insane asylum patients had in the 1950s. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.